welcome once again to my channel. Please subscribe, smash on the subscribe button, and then like my video for more updates. Today we are going to look at how to increase your PC speed with just 2 steps. If your machine or your PC is very slow, running very slow, it might be that you have 4 processors or 2 processors and you are using only one. So now let's increase your PC speed. With this, we are going to set a configuration, and before we start, we press the Windows R to initiate the run command. Now you type in msconfig. It doesn't matter whether you type it in caps or in small letters. Now you press OK. Over here you click on boot, then you click on advanced options. Now let me explain something over here to you. With the number of processors, some machines are having 2 or 4 processors, but currently it might be using only one. So my PC is having 4 processors, but it is using only one. So you check number of processors, then you come down and then you select the maximum number. That is, my machine is having 4 cores, that's why you see that. Yours might be 2 cores or 8 cores, so you select the maximum one. So I'm selecting 4. Now after selecting this, I have to check the maximum memory because it has to be compatible. Okay, maximum of this and then maximum of that, so that multitasking will be very simple and easy to speed up your PC. Now I check on maximum memory, and my memory is 8 gig. So 4 cores, that's 4 processors with 8 gig memory. Now you click on OK. After clicking on OK, you click on apply, then you click on OK. Before you click on OK, there will be a pop-up that you should restart your PC. So after clicking on OK, you click on restart to restart your PC so that it will configure it fully. So OK, now you restart your PC to configure everything fully. Guys, here is it. Speed up your PC with just these steps. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.